Hello, my name is Jammir Gray. I'm the executive chef of Compline in Napa Valley. Compline is a farm-to-table restaurant. We source about 80% of all of our produce and meats right here in California. Serving lamb on the menu is a really natural fit here in Napa Valley because it pairs really well with Napa Valley wines, and the grazing sheep are actually used in many of the vineyard's sustainable management practices. This lamb paprikash with hand-cut pappardelle pasta uses locally raised boneless lamb shoulder. One of the most economical and succulent cuts of American lamb, it's perfect for stews and other braised dishes like this paprikash, which is a beloved Hungarian dish. So I start this dish by dredging the lamb shoulder in a seasoned flour mixture. I sear pieces of lamb shoulder in the pot, making sure to get a nice dark brown sear on all sides. Then you can put the lamb off to the side. Make sure not to get rid of that fond. In the same pot, saute the onion, bell pepper, carrots, and celery until all the vegetables are caramelized. Add the garlic, thyme, and paprika and cook for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the tomato paste. Once added, cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Return the seared lamb to the pot and add in the bay leaf and the stock, making sure to cover the lamb by at least 1/4 inch. Cover the pot and cook on low for about 2 hours or until the lamb is tender. Make sure that you stir the pot every 20 minutes or so. When the lamb is tender, remove it and shred the meat. I like using 2 forks. Add the meat back to the pot and cook for an additional 20 minutes. Make sure you check for the final seasoning. I serve the lamb paprikash onto hand-cut pappardelle pasta, garnished with swirls of creme fraiche and a sprinkle of parsley. This was one of the first pasta dishes that I served when I first began my time at Compline. It was received very well. People liked the fact that it was on house-made pasta. They also loved the unctuousness of the sauce with the lamb, how tender it was, and even though it felt like a homey dish, there's still a level of sophistication to it.